Man, I'm starving. Wait, what if I make a pizza? Hold on, that's not a bad idea.
Welcome to Don Feather's tips on making a perfect pizza. First, you had to add flour to make the dough. Not too much.
Uh-oh.
And then you roll the dough to make it all smooth and round.
I tried to make it round.
And then you add the tomato pastry as the topping of the pizza.
Why is the tomato running away? Get back here, you son of a...
Congratulations on making the perfect pizza, Nera, on one condition. You have to clean up.
Wait, what?
Seriously, Nera, clean up!
For God's sake.